Now we are going to discuss about how to clean the data. So even if you are working in Excel, so initially we have to clean the data, right? Why we need to clean? So for example, so if I go to this particular table, this table shows unwanted columns, unwanted rows, unwanted symbols, and all it is there, right? So when I'm going to apply some formula, or when I'm going to apply some visualization based on this table, because of this empty, it will provide some wrong information, right? For avoiding this confusions, we have to clean this data. How to clean the data? For that, we have an option. So here we have transform data. You can click on this transform data. So once you have clicked transform data, the Power Query editor page will open. So in this, your table will list out here in this queries tab. Okay, here this is our table name and this is our data, whatever we have. And here it is showing like applied steps. So now I want to remove the unwanted space. So for that, I'm just selecting this particular column. I'm just removing this particular column. And similarly, I want to remove this particular rows also. So for that, I can't able to use shortcut. For that, we have remove rows. Here, there is some subcategories like remove top rows, remove bottom rows, remove alternate rows, and remove duplicate and remove blank rows. Now I want to remove entire blank rows. So for that, I want to remove blank rows. So once removed, it will record here. So it will convert as a code and it will store in applied steps. So this applied steps, what it will do each and every time when you are clicking a refresh button, automatically it will refresh your data and it will provide the updated details. So next, when we are coming to this particular table, see this product one and product one. This is also product and this is also product, and both is providing the same values. So I don't want to multiple same columns. So I want to remove this particular column as well. And then we have to check the data type. So data type means if I'm using a text, then my data type should be ABC. If I'm using number, then it should be 1 2 3. If I'm using decimal value, for that I need to use decimal number. Just right click on this 1 2 3 and then you have to choose decimal number or whole number or a date and time format or text format or time format, whatever you want, you can able to choose. So why we need to choose this data type? Because when you are applying formula, we have different formulas, right? Text related formulas, number related formulas. We have multiple formulas. When you are writing a formula, if it is number, if it is in correct data type, then it will provide the proper result. So for that only we need to check this data type. So everything is cleared now. This is a text format and this is a number format and this is also number format. So once everything is fine, so everything is modified, then you can click close and apply. So now check here, it was updated and it will provide the updated data. So if it is number column, it will show like this, and if it is text column, it will show like this. So for example, I'll show you the difference if it is text or if it is number, how it will reflect. So I'll choose some graph and I'll choose some. So if now I have selected the text column, right? So see here, when I'm clicking this down arrow, When I'm clicking this down arrow, see here only count formula is visible. So this is text related. So text, it will count the text. Okay. But when I'm using the number column, now when I'm using the number column, it will show a lot of values like sum, average, minimum, maximum, count, standard deviation, variance, median. So for that only we need to check the data type, whether we are aligned in a proper data type or not. So if it is text, some of the formulas will not visible. If it is number, it will visible, some, average and minimum, maximum, everything it will display. So for that only we need to select the data type when you are cleaning the data. So if you want to see the updated data, then you can go to table view and you can see whatever changes we have done, it was applied or not, we can check in the table view. Am I right? That's all about this topic. Thanks for watching.